Hello there, welcome to the maiden voyage of my YouTube channel, or motovlogging. I don't know, that was kind of corny. I gotta figure something out, right? It's my first video, so like motovlog, riding video. So anyways, what I'm riding here is a 2019 Sport Glide. 2019 Harley Davidson Sport Glide, and done a few things, done a full stage 1 on it, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. It is comfortable. It is convertible. The front comes off here, and the bags come off, so it's pretty cool. The only thing is, it's doesn't have a big windscreen on it, so some people don't like that. I love it. I like not having a giant windscreen or fairing. Alright, so the main reason why I'm doing this is for kind of reviewing what I've done to the bike so far. So I got a Cobra 909 twin slip-on exhaust, and I have a Arlen Ness 65 velocity intake, and I have a Vance and Hines FP3 tuner. So the bike itself comes with a 107 cubic inch motor, versus I think it's about 1750 cc motor. You know, pretty beefy motor. It's like got oil cooled heads, and right out the gate it's an amazing bike. Okay, the biggest issue I had with the bike was the exhaust and the passenger pinion, which I'll go over later. Okay, but as it is right now, she's right where I want her with as far as sound goes. Performance, I might add more later on, but you can tell this exhaust is pretty mellow at cruising speed, but you hear her pick up right there. So what I'm going to do right here is get on it real quick. The traffic will let me, but it should. This little Mini Cooper cooperates. I'll wait for this guy. That back tire got loose. So I like the way it sounds. It's not overbearing, okay, but it's fun when you're cruising, you know. But when you want to accelerate or let somebody know you're there, just right. Sounds great. So it's kind of like, you know, best of both worlds for me. You know, I like, you know, I'm almost 40 now, but I guess I showed my age there. Anyways, I'm almost 40, and I used to be all about, hey, loud everything. I had cars were all built up that you couldn't even hear the radio inside them because the freaking exhaust and tune was so loud. But now I like my noise still, but not super loud. And this is right where I want. I mean, 2600 RPM sounds great. It's great for the wife on the back too, because, you know, her ears aren't bleeding they're not bleeding when we're going on the highway. I'll get on again over here. So it's right around the time where traffic comes out. Oh man, it's a warm one today. It's about 97 degrees. Almost about to hit 100. I love the way this sounds. So anyways, that's pretty much it. This Cobra exhaust is pretty good. It's about 260 bucks. Right? It's got a nice sound to it. Not overbearing, but like I said, loud when you want it. And that velocity intake, let me tell you, that's a different video, but that thing is awesome. As you see, I got no problem clearing it. No problem at all. Probably the most often asked question. Hey, does your knee fit around that? No, I'm 5'10" with a 30-inch inseam, so I got more torso than leg in a sense. And you know, it works great. It actually, hey, don't you? Impatient. You might be hearing my gremlin bell in the back. That's what that little sound is. Anyways, tell me what you think. What kind of bike do you have? If you got a sport glide, what exhaust do you have? Let me know in the comments. I'll catch you later.